Hello class, my name is Mallory and this is my SRF career choice presentation on being a physical education teacher. On this slide you'll find my description of being a physical education teacher. You will teach early fine motor skills, cooperation, and also teamwork, teaching basic health and nutrition information that will last their lifetime, rewarding career, intrinsic motivation, and eager students. Why I choose this career. Being a teacher is something I have desired from an early age in my life. I currently have been a preschool teacher for 7 years, and I love early childhood development and providing children the foundations of knowledge to succeed in schooling. I have interest in the field of being a physical education teacher to young adolescents at an elementary school age. I would enjoy teaching PE at an elementary school age because children at this age enjoy physical education and frequently list this as their favorite subject. Elementary school physical education teachers are very lucky because they are one of the most beloved teachers in the school and have students who are eager to participate and engage in physical activity. I enjoy teaching this age because the children are all interested, caring, and sweet. Historical and social perspective of teaching physical education. Constantly evolving career with new teaching methods developing annually. Patterson article. This article explains the importance of integrating physical education history to K-12 students as a regular part of a physical education class. This academic article incorporates concepts derived from the ancient and modern Olympics, history of education and exercise, physical activity and sport, and the history of physical education itself. This article discusses the changes and trends in physical education as a whole to increase the understanding of why the curriculum evolves and the need for continued change. This article is relevant to describing the historical and social element of this assignment. This article is relevant for my chosen career choice as a physical education teacher. Why my personality is suited for a career in teaching physical education. Elementary school physical education teachers are very lucky because they are one of the most beloved teachers in the school and have students who are eager to participate and engage in physical activity. I enjoy teaching this age because the children are all interested, caring, and sweet. My personality is very nurturing and I love teaching young students life skills and knowledge to make them successful. Trends in teaching PE. Physical fitness relationship with academic performance. This 2017 study focused on physical education and its effects on academic performance in 9 to 12-year-old females and males. The scholarly journal explained and answered this question, if there is a correlation between physical fitness and academic performance. Each child was evaluated in exactly the same way. On the other hand, cognitive performance, CP, nonverbal and verbal ability, abstract reasoning, spatial ability, verbal reasoning, and numerical ability, was assessed by the Spanish Overall and Factorial Intelligence test. On the physical fitness test, all students were scored objectively and based on exact quantitative values. For the academic performance test, students were scored objectively. Teachers used a 0 through 4 scale, with 4 being exceptional. The results of AP were positively related to the levels of PF. Students who achieve better PF score better in maths, natural sciences, religion, and physical education. HPO 2017, page 197. The results show a positive correlation between physical activity levels and cognitive performance. Trends, Academic Improvement with PE, continued. This article gives credit to the importance of physical fitness in primary schools. Physical fitness has a direct correlation in the area of cognitive development. Physical education teachers are needed in elementary school to develop fine motor skills and boost cognitive development at this young age in child development. If education in fitness is implemented at a young age, we can reverse the expounding trend of childhood obesity and obesity in general. Job opportunities in teaching physical education. Gordon article explains job opportunities and challenges. Gordon's article examines the careers of 2 novice physical education teachers and their perceptions of the job after their first year of teaching. This article is useful to me because it accurately describes the honest opinion of 2 subjects in the field I have chosen for the career path I am interested in. This article is accurate and gathers information from the subjects in an effective manner, which solicits honest feedback from the subjects involved in the study. This article describes the roles, challenges, and management opportunities for a physical education teacher. Many career opportunities listed in many public and private schools across Southern California. After years of service teaching in low-income public schools, student loans can be forgiven after application. Physical education teacher and special education teachers needed annually. Many of these jobs are competitive, starting in the $60,000 annual salary range. In conclusion, from the Changbo article, this article describes the correlation between teaching styles and student motivation in physical education teachers. This article is effective in describing how teaching styles have a huge impact on learning and desire for adolescents to advance physically. This article describes the role physical education teachers have in improving physical and mental health of students. The enthusiastic, caring, and sense of instilling belonging in class greatly improves students' desire to learn and improve in physical education.